Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make watermelon blossom updated. Prepare a sunny bed, enrich soil with compost, and maintain pH near neutral. Space vines 6 to 10 feet apart and use drip irrigation for consistent moisture. Hand pollinate early flowers if pollinators are scarce and remove excess fruit to focus plant energy. Monitor for pests and disease, and fertilize with a balanced, low-nitrogen formula during flowering to encourage blooms and fruit set. Warm the soil to at least 70 degrees F before transplanting seedlings to encourage rapid growth and flowering. Plant seedlings shallowly so the crown sits at soil level and space rows 6 to 10 feet apart for airflow. Water deeply twice weekly with drip irrigation, increasing during hot spells to maintain consistent moisture without waterlogging. Apply 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch to conserve moisture and moderate soil temperature for steady blooms. Encourage bees by planting pollinator flowers nearby and avoid spraying insecticides during bloom. For hand pollination, transfer pollen from male to female flowers using a small brush in the morning. Remove surplus fruits, leaving 1 to 2 per vine to enlarge remaining melons and improve blossom retention. Apply a low nitrogen, higher phosphorus and potassium fertilizer at bloom to support flowers and fruit set while monitoring plant vigor each week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.